tools and build. Today we ain't gonna talk about tools, or ain't gonna build something. We're going to install a USB charger on my brother's F3 Spyder. This will be the first time that I install a USB. I really don't know how long it's going to take, how we're going to do it. We're going to look at it, then we're going to attack it. So once I install it, I'll go step by step how I did it. So everybody out there that has a Spyder F3, you could do the same. The USB charger is fantastic for your iPhone, your GPS, especially if you go for long rides. So stay tuned. Alright guys, USB already plugged in. Little help by my son, the owner of this ugly Spyder. So basically, USB, 2 wires going through the gas tank. 2, there's already plugged in accessory plug. That's easy. It takes more time just to take the seats out than actually doing the work. It all starts, put on the key, 2 USB, and there you go. 2 wires, 1 USB. The Spyder already has the accessory cable, 2 males, 2 females adapters. Plug it in, let's go. Spyder F3. Jonathan, what year?
15.
2015 Spyder. The only thing is, on the bike itself, it has 2 accessories. This one was for the heating gauge. This one was for the fog lights. We just took it out. And we left the plug inside here. This is it. This is the plug that was for the heating grips. He said he's not gonna put it, so we took it out and we replaced it with the big USB. So there you go. Very easy. It took more time to make the hole in the plastic, the seats, and actually doing it. Simple, the simplest things I ever had done. So if anybody there has an F3 Spyder, want to put an accessory, it already has one. Connect to the fuse box. There you go. Guarantee you, it takes more time to take out the chairs, the plexus. Everything's done. Put everything back, and he's ready to go home. Please, if you like this video, press like. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Every week there's a new tool, a new build, maybe even a little game we're gonna play. So peace, thank you.